What is up, guys? We're back with another video um for a One Punch Man Awakening. So basically I'm going to be showcasing the ESPER class, the ESPER move. So first you want to go into, like, click the, no, I don't think that's right, but the skills, and it shows all the skills. So when you first start off, you're going to have rock throw. So you get that at level 1. That's on X. um Level 35 is rock barrage for C. You can fly at level 100 with V. Meteor Shower, that's at level 350 for F. Level 750 Psychic Shield, which that comes in handy with like all NPCs, and especially the Meteor. When the Meteor comes, when that's close, and when it's finna kill everybody, you can activate it and you won't die at all. So yeah, that, and there's a skill for superhumans too that does the same thing. So level 1500 Meteor Shower, Meteor Smash, which is the strongest move on here. And then at level 2000 we have Psychic Aura, and that basically boosts all your skills. So I'll be showcasing all of these today. Alright, so let's go to an NPC. Alright, here's the first one. And see, that almost kills him. That takes most of his life, but there's like a little like sliver left. So rock throw, let's do that again. And I don't know the distance. I'm pretty sure it's long. Yeah, cause see, I'm Esper, so like most of my moves are long range, and they're better. Like, you can use them better if your target is still, but it'll take time for you to if your target is moving, then you'll have to like focus extra carefully, and then be sure that you get the like in the right spot before you shoot it. So yeah, let me see. Yeah, so it has great range. As you can see, it went all the way down there and hit that NPC. Let me see if I can get it from back here. Yeah, so you pretty much aim it um and get the target this long range. So that's really nice. All the way from back here. Yeah, so that's really good. Alright, the next move, which is Rock Barrage. Oh, that's the Sea King back there. But this one is how this one goes. And so you can see that one does, each rock does, I think you said 430 damage. Let's try that again. Oh, 493 damage. Okay. I don't know how much the first one did. The first move does 490. Do y'all do 493? Let's see. Yeah, 493. Okay. So each rock I use, they use 493. So that's the Deep Sea King. This is my fan right here. He's in the thumbnail. That's Troll Fox. He's really strong. He has superhuman, so I'll get him to showcase that for you guys in the next video. But yeah. Alright, and then V is flight. So see, you cover yourself with your psychic energy. You can fly. It only lasts 14 seconds though. So after your 14 seconds are up, you'll just land. And so that's that. And you see the timer is for 14 seconds also. So that's how you can kind of spot that. However, you just count however long you're flying, and then you'll know what to count down from. So, okay, our F move is Meteor Shower. Let me see. And that does 398 damage, but there's a whole bunch of them coming at the same time, so You know, like if I have PvP on, so I just killed the other guy, so I'm gonna turn it off. All right, so let's use it again. Meteor Shower, and see in each rock does damage, but the rock doesn't necessarily have to hit them. As long as they're in range of you or close to you, then they'll just take damage regardless. So that's nice. What's the cooldown for that? All right, the cooldown for that one is 9 seconds. The cooldown for X, you don't have a cooldown for that. The cooldown for C, 5 seconds. For V, 14 seconds to fly. All right, the E move is your psychic shield. So let me see. I'm gonna get my friend or someone to use an attack on me, and I'll show you what that does. And it also heals you too, like while you're in there. Let me see if I can get. Oh, I need to. I need someone strong. I want something to punch me. All right. Well, let me see. Get my life down some. Okay, he switched back to cyborg. So, all right. Okay, so you see my health. I'm down to 11,000. So I just use my shield, and you can see how that heals me up. And so it does that for every time. The shield, I'm not. I think it lasts. Let me see. If that no, it lasts shorter than the timer is. So I'm not sure about that. All right, but you see how I took damage. So I'm gonna wait for that to load back up, and then tell them to use it again. And then you'll see you don't take any damage at all while you're inside your shield. Alright, so he's going to use it. Let me activate my shield. Okay, and see, as you can see, I'm not taking any damage. I actually gain from that when he attacks. So you can see how my shield works. And it's the same thing for the Meteor. When that hits, you're the only person other than Superhuman that can survive that with your with your E move. So all damage. Alright. Next is the R move. The R move is the strongest move we have. So that's where you bring down a giant meteor. I'll showcase that if I can find NPCs. Fly. Alright, here we are. Alright, this is the R move. I'm just gonna bag out the camera so you can actually see. But the longer you hold it, the stronger it is. And see, it just pulls down the meteor, and then it literally destroys everything in the area. All NPCs and players, depending on your level. So, let's use that again. I gotta see how much damage it does. Oh well. Oh yeah, and I need to see the timer too. I didn't look at the timer. The timer for the E move is 24 seconds. I think it was. And see, when you use your R move, you wrap yourself in your psychic energy also. Alright, so that does 7,461 damage. And it does it to every NPC and player around you. Alright, so the last move, which is your aura, which is the P move, and you need to be level 2,000 for that. So this is what it looks like. Well, you just activate your aura. Mine's red because I'm an alpha. I'm an alpha tester. So like, you see how on the side where we're typing and we have an A beside our name. That's because we're alpha and we're using our alpha cosmetics. So the original color is green if you're an Esper, but mine is red. So, but it makes all of your attacks stronger. Like my normal punches only did 300 or something at first. Now it does 1,000 or something. My X move did 400 or something. It does 900, 800, 987. My C move that does same thing. Okay. Flight same thing. Meteor Shower. Let me see how much that does 1,595 each time. Uh, Shield same way, except it's just stronger because you have your aura on, so you'll heal faster and more at a time. But you see, my health is full, so it doesn't really affect me. And then my arm move is even stronger. Let's see. Let's see how much damage it does. All right, and so that one does 14. I think they just said 14,000, or was that more? I'm not sure. I gotta look again. After the timer. All right, yeah, 14,000, almost 15,000. So that's a lot of damage. And I'm just gonna do it right here and zoom out so you guys can see that and see the distance it does, like the wide span hitbox. Oh, this red box was just for the meteor, bro. We destroyed it. That's a glitch that's in the game. It kind of stays there sometimes if you pass it. So if you destroy the meteor, but I'm just gonna show you. So it comes from space. I didn't hold it the whole time, but that's the hitbox is really big. And see, you see his giant just showed up. So and my health is pretty good too. Like my defense. So see, I'm doing damage on him. Not a lot because it's gonna need you're gonna need more than just like for a boss message like boss events like this. They happen randomly. You're gonna need more than one high level to actually destroy it, unless you're like S rank or really strong. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Let me see if I use my suit. But yeah, I'm using this to heal myself. Alright, there I go. F. And I just lost my aura. It stays for a while, but there is a timer to it. But usually, like by the time it runs out, you'll be able to use it again. It just depends on how much energy and stuff. So my strongest move, I'm gonna hold it this time. Oh yeah, but I'm not using my Oh, there's another Esper too, but he's stronger than me. He's like an S ring. So And you see, since I don't have my aura on, I'm taking more damage, and I just died. But anyways, um, that was the Esper showcase, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Um, Let me know more videos you guys want to see in the comments. And I'll be posting a few more videos pretty soon for other games, and I'll do more on this game too. But thanks for watching, and later.